this is around forever. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Creeper. I'm doing a video of what it's like to be a cat. Meow. The first thing to being a cat is string. Lots and lots of string. So much string everywhere. Because cats love string. The next thing to being a cat is finding random things to play with that make no sense. Plastic bag! The next thing to being a cat is hopping random people's laps. Another thing to being a cat is...
What would you want to do?
Waking your owners in.
Then go to sleep. Then go to sleep.
The next thing to being a cat that you have to do is go up to your owner and lick their face. Meow. The next thing to being a cat is ask to be pet. Meow. Meow. Pet me. I said pet me. The next thing that's a downside to being a cat is this.
Go, get out, go, get I'll do it for meow. Get!
I didn't see you there. Meow. So, I hope this video taught you how to be a cat. I'm really creepy. Anyway, I hope this video taught you a lot. I love all of you who watched it. Bye, y'all!